Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix Bluetooth not working in iPhone 15 Pro Max. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So to fix this issue, first of all swipe down and open Control Center, and from here turn on and turn off the airplane mode and Bluetooth 2 to 3 times. And after that reconnect the Bluetooth device. So for this, open settings, here click on Bluetooth and then turn on the Bluetooth, and from here reconnect your Bluetooth device. So after that the Bluetooth will start working properly, but if it's not working, then open settings, scroll down and click on general, then scroll down to the end and here click on transfer or reset iPhone and then click on reset. Now from here click on reset network settings and then enter the screen time passcode. After that again click on reset network settings to confirm. So after that it will reset all your network settings in your iPhone, but it will not delete any data from your iPhone. And after that restart your iPhone. So to restart, press and hold the power button and volume down button at the same time. Now swipe this icon to right side to restart your iPhone, and after restarting the Bluetooth will start working properly. But if it's still not working, then the last solution is open settings, scroll down and click on general, then here click on software updates, and here check if your iPhone is updated to the latest iOS version or not. So if your iPhone is not updated to the latest iOS version, then update your iPhone, and after updating the Bluetooth will start working properly. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.